Well, hard to last since. LOL. It's raining too hard. Next up, Vanilla Homa or Vanilla Roma. An irresistible fusion of creamy vanilla, coconut, milk, and sugar cane. Available in spray, tree scent wrap, and extra strength. Watermelon. Capture the sweet scent of summer. Juicy, freshly sliced watermelon. Only available in trees. Next up, wild cherry. The irresistible scent of freshly picked juicy cherries, the perfect for the sweet and tart. Only available in trees. Next up is the never knew wild hemp. An automatically cannibalist liquid of peppery greens hints and smoky jumper raisin balanced by smooth goshwood tar. Only available in trees. This is all the trees. Well, trees. Sent by